Welcome to the Advanced Tool Health and Life Coach Certification. Today, we're going to be talking about innovations and future trends in coaching. More specifically, let's talk about the emerging technologies for health tracking and wearables. Introduction. Health tracking and wearable technology have revolutionized how individuals monitor and manage their well-being. For life and health coaches, understanding these advancements is critical to providing informed, cutting-edge guidance to clients. Today's wearables are far by the most simple step counters or calorie trackers. They incorporate sophisticated technologies designed to monitor a wide range of physiological and behavioral metrics such as heart rate variability, blood oxygen levels, stress indicators, sleep quality, and even hydration. Key points. 1. Sensor technologies and wearables. What are sensors and wearables? Sensors are the backbone of any wearable device, converting physical phenomena such as movement, temperature, electrical signals into measurable data. Common types include accelerometers and gyroscopes for tracking movement, posture, and physical activity. Photoplethysmography are sensors for heart rate and oxygen saturation monitoring. Electrodermal activity sensors for stress and emotional response tracking. Electrocardiogram sensors for advanced cardio monitoring, and bioimpedance sensors for hydration and body composition analysis. Real-world applications. Fitness tracking. Devices like the Fitbit or Garmin watch measures the steps, calories burned, and activity intensity using accelerometers and gyroscopes. Cardio health. Apple Watches and similar devices use PPG and ECG sensors for heart rate variability and even detecting irregular heart rhythms such as atrial fibrillation. Stress and emotional states. EDS sensors and devices like the Fitbit Sense allows users to understand stress triggers by analyzing skin conductivity. Custom apparel. Smart clothing like the HexoSkin smart shirts integrate sensors to capture metrics like breathing patterns, skin temperature, and posture during workouts. Limitations and challenges. Accuracy can vary depending on the sensor placement and the type of wearer activity. Certain sensors, such as those for hydration or stress, may lack precision compared to clinical grade equipment. Accessibility and affordability remain barriers for some population. Coaching applications. Understanding how sensor data correlates with client behaviors, examples, sleep-affected stress, or HRV indicators, allows coaches to guide clients towards targeted lifestyle changes. 2. Data analytics and insights. Role of data analytics. Once the sensors collect raw data, the next step is processing it to generate meaningful insights. This involves algorithms that analyze trends, predict outcomes, and create user-friendly visualizations. Advanced wearable technology integrates predictive analysis, machine learning, and even AI to develop and identify correlations that might not be too obvious to the human observer. Take a moment to have a look at the data analytics value chart on the right side. Examples of data analytics feature. Activity trends. Devices like the Whoop analyze not only today's activity but patterns over weeks, offering more comprehensive recovery or performance insights. Sleep stages and quality. Samsung Galaxy and Aura Rings provide detailed reports on the REM, light, and deep sleep stages, correlating them with the heart rate and body temperature. Stress metrics. Garmin watches leverage the HRV data to estimate the stress buildup throughout the day, helping users time relaxation exercising. Integration and coaching. Coaches can identify trends such as weather, a lack of sleep, as it affects exercise consistency, and recommends informed action plans. Predictive tools may alert coaches about potential burnout patterns or declining health in clients, supporting timely interventions. Ethical consideration. Data analytics must prioritize user control and transparency. Misinterpretation or over-reliance on algorithmic recommendations can lead to counterproductive outcomes if not contextualized. 3. Personalization and individualized wellness. Wearables are transforming generic coaching into truly personalized experience. Combining real-time data with artificial intelligence, these devices can recommend tailored meal plans based on metabolic insights, adjust the workout intensities based on recovery metrics like HRV or sleep quality, deliver personalized mindfulness activities when stress metrics reach a critical threshold. Take a moment to have a look at the table on the right, which talks about the process to personalize patient wellness journey. Breakthrough technology examples. Diet optimization. Devices like the Lumen analyze CO2 concentration and exhaled breath to determine whether users are burning fat or carbs, offering meal suggestions. Chronic condition management. Devices like the Abbott's Freestyle Libre track glucose levels for diabetics, integrating data into meal and exercise advice platforms. Menstrual cycle coaching. Apps like Clue and Apple Health use wearable data to predict fertile windows and hormonal changes, a game changer for women's health coaching. Challenges in personalization. Personalized coaching should always value human judgment. Certain metrics, such as calorie predictions, might ignore psychological factors, example eating disorders. Coaches should ensure wearables complement, not dominate the client plans. Integration with health apps and platforms. Ecosystem supporting wearables. Wearables don't just work in isolation, many integrate seamlessly with the partner apps and external platforms. These ecosystems enable centralized control over multiple aspects of health. Apple HealthKit and Google Fit consolidate data from variable wearables into one unified dashboard. Third-party app integrations. Platforms like MyFitnessPal pulls the essential data from fitness trackers to enhance the calorie planning and goal setting. Medical record linking. Advanced devices such as the Cardia Mobile share data directly with physicians for monitoring chronic conditions. The importance of cloud data. Most wearables upload the data into cloud servers, enabling advanced machine learning models to offer real-time optimization. Coaches also benefit from remotely accessible metrics, which can collaboratively review during check-ins. Example use cases for coaches. Sending reminders about meal tracking based on the wearable's caloric burn algorithms. Tracking long-term trends such as hydration patterns via collaborative dashboards shared with the clients. 5. Emerging innovations in wearables. Smart fabrics. Biometric shirts and socks with built-in nanosensors could replace today's wrist-based wearables. 2. Non-invasive glucometers. Wearables under development, such as wristbands detecting glucose through the skin, are set to transform the coaching landscape for diabetic clients. Augmented reality. Glasses like Magic Leap suggest that exercise is visibly overlaid on real-world environments. This technology reduces the workout complexity for beginners. 4. Mental health wearables. Devices that detect early depressive or anxiety symptoms, such as a combination of HRV and vocal tone analysis in devices like Feel, bring mental health into precise focus. Hydration trackers. Sweat analyzing sensors, like those integrated into device from Gatorade GX wearable codes, measure hydration levels and provide real-time replenishment suggestions. Coaches must be updated on these disruptive developments to deliver full spectrum guidance that reflects the latest technological possibilities. Closing thoughts. The rise of advanced health tracking wearables represents a monumental shift in how life and health coaches engage with their clients. By combining detailed physiological measurements with AI-driven insights and personalized recommendations, these technologies empower coaches to elevate outcomes to a new level. However, the widespread adoption of wearables also demands a deep understanding of both their biological and technological nuances, ensuring that every recommendation resonates with precision, empathy, and ethical rigor. When integrated thoughtfully, wearable technology doesn't just track, it transforms. It enables clarity in decision making, boosts the client's motivation, and simplifies complex health challenges. As a coach, mastering this domain ensures that the practice remains anchored in both cutting-edge relevance and genuine client impact. Let's have a look at the summary tables. Take a moment to have a look at table number 1, which looks at the sensor technologies in wearables. Have a look at each sensor type, the function, example of metrics, applications, and the limitations. Table number 2 talks about the data analytics and insights. Take a look at each key functionalities, the examples of metrics which are provided by it, tools/devices, benefits, as well as challenges associated with it. Table number 3 talks about personalization and individualized wellness. Take a moment to have a look at all of the categories, the metrics which are commonly used, example innovations, coaching applications, and some challenges. Table number 4 talks about the integration with health apps and platforms. Take a moment to have a look at the features, example apps and platforms, integration benefits, use cases for the coaches, and some limitations for it. Table number 5 talks about the emerging innovations in wearables. Take a moment to have a look at the technology, how it works, the current examples of it, potential benefits, and some projected challenges in the future. Let's have a look at some MCQ questions. Take some time to have a look at question number 1 and 2. Take a look at question number 3 and 4. And finally, take a look at question number 5. Thank you.